and that is the reason I told you, when you are going to discuss this value 10, and if you have a doubt, you will become clear in 20. And if you have a doubt, it will become clear in 30. And then you don't have any doubt. Now you can do it very easily, any number. Now, right now, when I started with, I discussed the 9 into 7. So you may be thinking, sir, it's a short number and how we can do it. It's very easy. Now look at this. We are doing the same method with a bigger number. Now look at this, how big this number is. I'm going to multiply 47 into 46. 47 and 46. Do it now. I'm taking base value 50.
2162.
Simple. If we have a base value 50, our difference is minus 3, minus 4. 4 is at last, so 2 is there, 1 is carry over. 47 minus 4 is 43, and 43 into 5 is 43 into 5 is
215.
215 and plus 1
216.
now this is the. अब किसी को ऐसा डाउट होगा कि नहीं ये तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही हार्ड है. सपोज यू आर हैविंग इन योर माइंड कि व्हाट इफ द नंबर 43 multiply with 5 is not so easy. Can you make it easy? Yes, we can make it very easy. And instead of multiplying with 5, multiply this, put the number 430 and divide with 2. You got the answer very easy. 2 2
Yes.
2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we are discussing about what we are doing here. We are doing actually, instead of multiplying with 5, we are multiplying 43 into 10 by 2. So this number will give you 430 and divide with 2. You will get 215 very easy. Get it? So now we discussed about multiplication with primary base 50, and here only one hurdle is you have to multiply with 5, and I told you how to deal with it. Okay, so look at this. Suppose there is a number 52 and you are multiplying with 57. Okay, so number is plus 2, number is plus 7, 7 2 are 14, so I'm writing 4, 1 is the carryover. Next, 52 plus 7,
59 into 5.
59 into 5. So you can do 59 into 5, or you can do 590 upon 2. It's all up to you what is suitable to you. I prefer this way. So it will become very easy to me. 295 plus 1, 290. The answer is 296. In this way, you got the answer. Similarly, if the number is 80, number is 70, you can do it very easily. There is nothing difference. Suppose 78 is there and 77 is there. So what? Our base is 70, right?
80.
If number is 9, yes, we can also take as 80 as well. Very good. You can take 80 as now. 98 and 99. What we are going to do?
100 is the base.
100 is the base. Do it now.
Can you explain that one? 66 into 44.
66 into
44.
44.
It is given there now.
Where it is?
Yeah, the last one. Subtype 3 last.
Okay. That is. You can take any number. It doesn't mean there is anything special.
No, we will get more number. No, if we are taking base 60.
So here you can see that our base is what? Base 50.
So we'll get
so plus 16 and plus minus 6. 16 6 is 96.
96.
So I'm writing 6 here. 9 is the carryover. Now next, 66 minus 6
minus 96 we will get, no? Plus into minus.
Yes, you are right. 0 and 96. Okay.
So
now
60
next
into 5, 300.
60. So 60 into 5. Write down. Now subtract it. What you will get? 290.
Okay.
So this is the answer. Clear? So we are discussing about the base value 100. Here we are discussing about this problem. 98 plus 2, 99 minus 1.
So 98 minus 2 also, no?
So minus 2 minus 1, that is
2.
2 only. Now 98 minus 1.
97.
97 and multiply with
1 only, no? Or 10.
10.
Taking 10. Okay.
If there is a 9, so you multiply with 9. If there is a 80, you multiply with 80. If there is a 70, you multiply with 7. So if this is 100, then you are multiplying with
10.
So this is 9697.
0.
Get it? So
Yeah.
as you can see that using this kind of multiplication will become a very easy. Now look at this one more example. 104 multiply with 109. Now plus 4 plus 9. 9 4 is
36.
So I'm writing 6. 3 is carry over. Add it. 104 plus 9.
1130.
1133.
And 3.
1330.
1133.
36.
Right? This is the why? Because adding this number is 13, 113, and into 10 is actually 100. Is this one 1130, and this will be going to add. So this will become 1133, and already 6 is there. So final answer is
Sir.
now. this is 3-digit multiplication, this is 3-digit multiplication, still you can do it very easy, right? Now, let's take 4-digit multiplication. Actually, when you are going to multiply any number with 10, what you will get at the unit place value?
0 only.
0, right? If this is a number 32, so you will get 320, right?
Hmm.
Or if anything is there, 4, so it will become 324, because this 0 will going to add with 4. So this is always that number which you are adding into the 0. So instead of writing here one digit and carry over the second digit, you can simply write down that number. But in that case, you don't have to multiply with you don't have to multiply with 10. Get it? Are you getting my point? Anybody?
Yes.
आप तो समझ गए, बाकी लोग से पूछ. My previous experience is that most of you are confused. That is, I stopped giving
Okay.
much of the detail. Look, I'm trying once again because you started the topic. 9 4 ja 36. So ma'am told me that 9 4 ja 36. So can we write down 36? So I said yes, you can write. Why? Because if you are going to eliminate this 3 and write it down in the carry forward, so later you will have to add here. So the next value will always a 0. Why? Because you have to multiply with 10. So this value will always add with the 3. So why should I write down this 3 here? Just write down here and don't multiply this value now. So 104 plus 9, that is 113. That is the answer. Can you get it now?
Yeah, got it.
So now look at this, 998 and 996. This is the number, and you are going to multiply with
Base 1000 we can take.
So
Minus
plus 2, plus
minus
4,
minus 2, minus 2, minus 4.
8, right? Now 4 to 8, there is no carry. Still you can take 0 if you don't want to multiply. But
2 zeros
I'm
we
going
can.
to stop it right. 2 0. So 98 plus 4, 1002. Yes,
Minus 4.
1002.
Minus 4. 994.
Sorry, sorry.
Will become
994.
4.
994
2 zeros
multiply
will
with.
2 zeros.
So this is the okay 99400. So all this multiplication is very easy, but you didn't realize one thing. You know what? I haven't taken any number that is 148 multiply with 152. Why? Because this number is not nearer from 100 or not nearer from 200 as well. Both having at a equal distance. So taking this number is very difficult. Look at this. What is the if we have base value 100, then what is the difference here?
48.
48. And what is the difference here?
52.
Now, can you do the multiplication of 48 into 52 easily?
It's difficult, sir. Can't we take 150?
Yes. So what we have to do? We have to take 150. And for this, we will going to discuss
Minus 2
a
plus
different approach. So if you are going to take 150, our difference is minus 2 and plus.
plus.
For the
Minus
first example, I'm not going to take 152. I'm going to make 146. Our calculation will become little easy. Okay. So now, what we are going to do? We are going to
8.
multiply 2 4 ja 8. But what is the multiplying factor here?
15 will be 144 into 15.
144 into 50.
Do it. 144 into 15. Do it now.
160.
No,
1160. 1160.
2160. Ma'am said right. 2160.
60.
Just do it. I'm going to do it very easily. Just look at this. 144. And instead of multiplying with 15, I'm going to do it 30 by 2. Can we do it? So it will become easy to me because I'm going to cancel it out. If you are going to make it a cancel, it will become a 7 and this will become a 2. Now 70, 2 into 3 is 2160. Answer. Get it? Very simple. Now you can do one more adjustment here. Instead of this 15, you can also take 300 by 20. Solve it. Okay. If there is a number 248 and you are multiplying with 247, then what you are going to do now?
250.
250 we can take. 50 by 2.
So what is the difference? Minus 2, minus 3. Multiply it. 2 3 ja 6. Now 248 minus 3 is 245. And what is the multiplying factor?
25. So 50
What
by 2.
can we write down? 50 by 2.
Again,
Yes.
we are getting in decimals, no? 245.
So it will be, yeah, you will find it in decimal. Right? So just multiply instead of doing this. Just multiply with what was the number?
245.
25.
25 into 245.
Simple. Write down 25 here. Put down 0 here and do the 1 cross 1 method. 3-digit multiplication and tell me the answer.
05.
51250.
What? 512?
50.
No. It's 61250.
61250. 61250. 2 I have to add.
Why 0?
61250.
What 0?
Why 0?
Why
Hmm?
0?
Why 0?
Only 6125. 6125.
61256.
Yes, 61256. Okay. Now tell me if the number is 345 and 346. Do it again. 345, 346.
345,
346.
350 is the base.
345 into 346. Do it now. Simple difference is what? I'm taking 350 is the base. Difference is plus 5. Sorry, minus 5. And difference is minus 4. 5 4 are 20.
11935.
1193.
9370.
5320.
9370.
9370.
2 is the carryover which you have to add.
2 carries there, no? 20.
Good.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Yeah. 119370.
119370. Actually, this is 5, you got it. But earlier we
So,
have a
but it
file
is
for that.
difficult.
Yes?
It is little bit difficult. It's
It will
not
difficult
easy
when,
because
yeah, I'm
multiplying
telling you, this
25 is not easy. Multiplying
this
55.
will difficult when you are going to get the multiplication of this kind of number. This is the 3-digit number.
About my
Directly
Right.
3 by 3 vertical crosswise we can do, no?
Yes, you can do the vertical crosswise as well.
Anyhow, in this also we are using the vertical crosswise method only for the doing the rest of
But the number is small. But the number is small here, right? Like 3-digit and 2-digit number only. Like one more thing. Here is the caution. Actually, if you are going to force one method to each and every number, then calculation will become hard. So I started with the number which is multiple of 10. And can you see that when we are doing the multiplication with 998 or 996, this is very easy. But
Yes,
you will find it this is hard. Why? Because here the 1000 base is direct multiple of 10, right? Multiple of 10, very easy. But here the base is what? 350. Because of that, your multiplying factor is 35, which is not the multiple of 10. And that is the reason you find it difficult to do the multiplication. Okay.
345, 346. Can you tell once again? Minus 5, minus 4. 25 was a 20. 345 minus 4, 341. 341.
5 4s are 20, so I'm writing 0. 2 is a carryover because only one digit will be going to write down. 2 is the carryover. Now, 345 minus 4, 341, multiply with
35.
35.
Okay.
In the case of 70, our multiplying factor is 7. In the case of 90, our multiplying factor is 9. In the case of 100, our multiplying factor is 10. Okay.
10.